Hello there. You are welcome to Festus Amadi Chuku channel. In today's video, I talked about how to get 4,000 watch hours fast with Firefox. How to get 4,000 watch hour fast with Firefox. Please follow my instruction. Please follow my instruction. How to get YouTube 4,000 watch hours very fast. How to get you to 4,000 watch hours very fast. Please, you need 5 to 10 videos from 10 minutes long and above to get the job done. Please, you need 5 to 10 videos from 10 minutes long and above to get the job done. How to get YouTube 4,000 watch hours very fast. Click on your Mozilla Firefox, go to there, click history, clean recent history, click OK. Go back, do the same thing twice to make sure there is no history there. Open YouTube, www.youtube.com in your Mozilla Firefox browser. This is the home page of YouTube. Enter the search bar, search your YouTube channel you want to use for the watch hours. Click on it. When it shows, you will see your YouTube name, your YouTube channel name. Click on the icon of your YouTube channel. It will take you to your YouTube channel homepage. This is your YouTube channel homepage. Click on playlist. This is your playlist. Click on play all. Wait for the content to show. Click on pause. Cease the volume. Click on settings. Quality changes to 144p to enable it to load faster. Click on the tab where you see the name of your content. Right click duplicate tab. You can make it up to 10. The more tab you open, the more watch hours you get. Maximum you can make it to 10. But remember, you need videos from 5 to 10 minutes. Videos from 5 to 10 minutes, up to 10, 20. Open as much tab you want, but know that maximum 10 tabs should be open. Please, when the videos end in all the tabs, please repeat these steps after 20 minutes. When the video finishes, close all the tabs, repeat the steps after 20 minutes. Go back, clean history, and start again after 20 minutes. Just follow the instruction you see on the screen. Click on your play. The video start playing. Do the same for all the tabs. When the thing has finished loading, just click on play, or sometimes it plays automatically. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.